Good morning. I've received a few emails on, again, how to access the homework problems for Algebra 2. So I'm just going to remind you that first you have to log into School Fusion. And there are really two ways to access the homework for Algebra 2. Again, go to your course web pages, find our class web page, and the homework problems I have currently listed right here, so you know the actual problem numbers. But if you scroll down, there are, again, two ways that you can access your homework problems. You can click right here and log on to your online textbook. You have to remember what your password was. Be careful with capitalization. You click on your student edition book. You click on Chapter 1. Since last class we were discussing Section 1.1, you click on this, the properties of real numbers. And again, this is the whole textbook in which you can read and look at different examples. These are the definitions that we went through together in class. And then other problems, again, graphing and number lines, there's quick little checks that you might be able to do. And you can scroll through your text by clicking on the button down here. But if you're ready for the exercise or the problems, they have exercises listed here. Again, you just click on it. It will jump you to the very end of the section of the book. And then you click on exercise right here, and it opens in a PDF format. And then you can follow the homework problems. So that's one way to get to your homework problems. The other way to get to your homework problems, again, is if you're from your School Fusion page. And I might have to re-log in because I clicked out of it. So I go back to my School Fusion page. Yep, it's going to make me log in again. I save my password to make it shorter. Another way is if you can't remember how to get into the textbook, all the files for the class are down here below. And since we are starting Chapter 1, Unit 1, if you click on this folder, in here you will see all the files for the class, and you'll see that it has Section 1.1 exercises. If you click on this, it looks exactly like the page that pulled it from the textbook. So that's just two ways that you can access your homework. Again, for right now, your homework is listed right here. I would try to have it listed as well as the due date every day. Eventually, I may have it listed on a Google Calendar that I share with you. If you still have questions on how to access your homework, please don't be afraid to email me or stop in my room anytime today. Thanks.